So let's get it cracking, you know, we never slacking. Let's do this shit. You already realize. What the fuck? I always eat. Oh shit! What's up, guys? Welcome to another. We are back with another video. We are here watching Terrified Sundays. You already know what it is. You already know what we doing. This is the first video. It's called Onlyfans 3 by ACM Official. You already know what it is. Let's get it cracking in a second.
I'm saving that money for school.
It's fine.
Jackie, I sang that night.
School's not going anywhere. Oh, Mom, I have a call coming in.
You got a big ass forehead. Big ass forehead, bitch. You got a big head forehead. I seen that bitch all the way across the moon.
Yeah, this is her.
Hi, I'm calling from the medical clinic.
Don't
it looks
be
like we still
making
haven't received the payment
OnlyFans,
for your
bitch.
mom's
I just
treatment.
playing.
Are you able to pay that now?
Yeah, I'm just a little bit short. I was told that I had until
Only for the
tomorrow.
fans.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's correct. But if we don't receive the payment by tomorrow, we will have to stop your mom's treatment completely.
I'll get it to you tomorrow.
Great. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks. You too.
She got that creepy ass smile.
How am I gonna get another $1,000 by tomorrow?
Rob the bank. Shit.
Just this once.
You don't talk. Fuck you make OnlyFans ain't don't do shit. Just gonna look at the camera until you see the view. It's boring as shit. You gotta do something. Yeah, that ain't how it works. Oh, let me just wait until I get a view.
Hi. Hi. Oh, wait, don't go. I have a wig. Do you want me to try it on? Sure. Give me a sec.
Oh, hell nah. Go back to your original. That shit look bullshit.
Oh, thank you. Of course.
Somebody asked the same question. We good.
Okay.
I be like, take that ass,
Sure,
take
be right
that fake ass wig off. You look better the other color. I don't even like blonde no more. You make me dislike blonde. She like a ghost. She like she about to float. We all float down here, Johnny boy. Why they zoom all the way in her tongue? Her tongue being cut.
Thank you. I think so. Okay. It'll take a minute, so don't go anywhere.
Is it me? Oh, she looks better.
How do I look? I take it you like the dress. You know, I think I do. Sure. Got him. Wait, you want me to play Chubby Bunny? You're on. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I can try again if you'd like. Is there anything else you'd like to play? What?
This man weird. You weird for going along with this bullshit. I want to see a bruise.
How much are you gonna give me? I need about $800. Something for my mom. What? No. I'm not gonna break my finger. Yeah, I'm sure. What's that? What? Why do you have my bank account number? Wait, please. All of that money, it's for my mom. She needs it.
Shit, you look like you do that shit anyway. You look creepy as fuck. Break your finger, goddamn.
You want me to break my finger? Fine. I'll do it. But please, just give me back the money. Okay. I'm gonna do it. What?
Hello?
Oh, Mom.
Is everything okay? What's wrong?
You're a terrible mom.
Very funny, Jackie.
That's fucked up. What
You're
type
a
of...
terrible mother.
This shit weird.
I don't love you.
Bro.
I'm glad you're gonna die.
Jackie. Jackie, why are you saying those things?
There, it didn't. Just give me back the money. Please.
This is what happened when you got weirdos behind the damn keyboard. That's some weird shit.
I did everything you asked.
Bro, she did what you asked for.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, guys. I thought it was going to be creepy. I like it a little bit. ACM, this was kind of good. But come on. If somebody asks you these weird questions, hang up. Fuck the money. Shit, it's money already gone. You not getting back. What they going to do? Ask you to kill yourself? You going to do it? How you going to get your money back? You dead. Now, come on. You got a broken finger. They already took all your funds. That's why I said back. And then she sat there and waited until somebody else got on there. You shit. I'll be honest. We're going to go to the next one. Films. my favorite fucking YouTube channel. I don't know why I love their videos. I love their videos, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get it cracking. And that's all the small talk. I want to see what happened. I hear her screaming. It looked like the same as the library. I was about to say, damn, I went to the library one again.
Why don't you believe me? I'm not crazy.
Your ass sound crazy, bitch. What the fuck? Was she laughing or crying? I'm not crazy. You sound crazy, bitch. You walking out the stage crazy. Stairs crazy, bitch.
Late night in the Hollywood Hills, starlight, social life thrill,
Social life real.
looks that could kill.
Thank you very much.
Lit cigarette, black dress, smoky silhouette, collecting all bets for lovers roulette.
She got a stalker.
Round and round and
Walking around road.
goes.
She got a stalker that she barely even know.
Where she stops,
She looking so sexy
vanishes like
with all that black on. And I'm not a singer. Oh Lord. She got what the fuck? She walk up the stage, the stairs so kind of quick. A bit possessed. Well, motherfucker walk through the window like this. Oh shit, this shit scared me. All that water. Can't even see no fucking body. What type of fucking windows is that? Where you went? Oh, this motherfucker teleporting. Let's call the Ghostbusters. Or them kids off of It. Yeah, shit, they whoop Pennywise. They can whoop his ass. Now let me kill this fucking clown. I didn't know what room that big ass house. I don't know what room she was in.
Who's there?
the window. Okay, why my guy was just sitting in the bed like that? My guy really had a knife like this. Hey, bitch, I cut you like a fish. Die. I just went next. This one is called Timothy by Outta. Yeah, you already know what it is. Let's get it clapped. Okay, Outta, that was kind of good. That was good. That was. Didn't they see I saw? But that was kind of fantastic. That was good. You know what I'm saying, Outta? But we're gonna go to the next one. I like this one. This one is probably good. I'm probably catch it. You never know. Nevertheless, I'm coming to test. You never to be. Cause I'm coming from the Wild Wild West. Gotta do my best before I make a mess. Trying to achieve before I make it to success. She hugging trees and shit. She a fucking tree hugger. Oh, hell! Hell no! No, to the no, no, no. To the no, to the no, to the no, no. Emma, run! She crazy ass. You hear noises and shit, you supposed to run. I'm about to say they got the beat off of iCarly. What is this, Sam?
What's wrong?
Sam Pickett?
I saw Emma. She was walking. Forest. Did you see the green man?
Mr. Green Man, give me a dream. Show me better than a dream. Mr. Green Man, why do you lie? Why do you kill me? Cause I one of a kind. Mr. Green Man, what is the word? I don't even know what the fuck that I'm saying. I'm gonna stop singing and playing.
Green man in the forest, eating whispers, leaves and dreams, sugar, sweets, and meat so fine.
That's a whack ass song.
From us,
Green Man, Green Man. I don't even know the rest. Nevertheless, you ugly as a motherfucker, Green Man. What's up? I'm walking all in your woods. I'm the man of the woods. Green Man.
shy,
Why you smiling?
because wait.
Everybody got y'all covers, man. It's cold. Trick or treat, smell my feet. Give me some cocoa to drink. I switched it up on y'all. Y'all thought I was supposed to give you some candy to eat. Y'all still the good thing. So give me some cover, you know what I'm saying? What's y'all's favorite snack? Mine's chewy bars, protein cookies. I ain't get scared. I ain't get scared. I'm a man. Y'all thought y'all scared me. Yeah, you scared me. Yeah. Shit, she look like a green woman talking about green man and shit. All that green and shit. Look like y'all stuck in a green room or something.
What's wrong?
What's wrong,
I
crazy
didn't
bitch?
touch anything. Nothing.
Man, you probably want some human flesh.
Well, this is because you didn't tell Dad about him. And he wanted you to tell Dad about him.
Type of weird shit. Who's your dad?
Are you going to? Ellen!
Did you say it? Yeah. And? He wants to talk with Emma. Well, did you tell him that Emma's with the green man? Yeah. And he asked if we're still taking the medication.
Hold
I
up.
think you'll like this one better.
Hold up. Father, you a bad father, bro. You know
It's
all
my
these
fresh.
girls taking medicine and shit. Why will you leave them? I'm sorry. Man, it been creepy.
Holly?
No, her name was Ella. Holy shit. The fuck? This should have been a fucking movie. What's up? I don't give a fuck. What's up? What you wanna do, bitch? What's up? Knock your bitch ass out. What's up? What's up? What's said? What said? I mean, you ain't scared of me. Come on. Come on. Moonwalk on your ass. What's up? What's up? What's up? Walk on. Okay, you making a creepy smile. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Woo, woo. What? You dump your little stupid ass back into that water. Yeah, you better. You better, bitch. Yeah. Crazy ass. Got all that soap in your mouth. I hope it get in your eye. Hey. your ass back down in that water. Messing with me. What? West side? What?
Please give them back to me. Please give them back to me!
The hell? Shoot that bitch in the head! Put her out of her misery! Green man, you dead, bitch.
Green man, hear my song. In the woods where we belong, come take us where we are strong. Cast away, play and hide. Green man, oh green man, veins like shadows, eyes so black, no turning back. Take us, please, please don't delay.
Oh, they about to show us Green Man? show. This was fantastic, bro. Y'all seen the Green Man? Shit. More like goddamn, cause I shot his ass fucking with me. Then she made a whole song talking about Green Man, this song is fucking trash. I love the song. The song kind of catchy. Remind me of Freddy Krueger, but we're gonna go to the next one. OG Shudder by Alistair the Titan. You already know we had to end the video with this one or with an animation. It's always, let's get it cracking, you know, we never second, let's do this shit. This is my favorite channel. Off rip.
I always have to be the one to
Ain't nobody ain't got nothing on them.
Because you're my boyfriend and you're supposed to do whatever I say?
Is that right?
That is right. It's what you signed up for, David.
Well, you are beautiful, so I guess that makes it okay.
Why, thank you.
Hold on, I'm in the elevator. I might lose service.
They always starting off creepy, bro. What the fuck? This channel don't give no. Hey, where did it scare your ass?
Maybe you could throw a
They
compliment
don't give
back
you
my
no
way.
head start or nothing. They scare that motherfucker. Soon as the video start, we got their
Of
ass.
course, but
Boom! Oh shit! What the fuck?
anyway,
That look like your
remind me
mama,
how
girl.
beautiful you are, Lydia.
What's up, one?
Can you send me a
What's
picture?
up? You ain't scaring me, man. You redheaded. I ain't scared of no redheaded bitch. Yeah.
Lydia?
I'm scared with black and brown. Oh, what a fucking eyeball! Oh
Lydia.
Lord!
Yeah.
I take that back. I was talking shit. Oh fuck
Did you
no!
glitch or
Bitch,
something?
what the fuck with that?
No, sorry. I just saw something kind of weird.
No, it's okay. So can you send me a picture? Remind me of your beauty and why I'm picking you up?
Of course.
Typo.
All right, you get it?
She fine.
Yeah.
Well, don't sound so unimpressed, David. I can't always look great.
No, it's not that, it's just...
What, is my hair weird?
Oh.
Look, I don't
Sexy.
want to freak you out, but... Is there someone behind you?
No, there's no one behind me.
Look at the picture you just sent me.
Okay.
Are you looking at it?
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Zoom in to the bottom left corner.
The fuck?
That's strange.
Is there someone there with you?
No.
Photobombed by a ghost, huh?
I'll say.
He like fuck
All
that
right, well,
bitch. You by
hey.
yourself.
I'll be there soon, okay? Pick you up in the usual spot?
Yeah, right underneath the streetlight.
Great. Yeah, I'll be there.
All right.
Bye, Lydia.
Better run your ass
David.
home, bitch. Shudder. Shit, better run your bitch ass back home.
Did you not like my bangs or something?
The fuck?
Hey, I see you! Bro, I just saw you.
Oh, bitch, you got balls. You got more balls than me, cause I'm about to get down. Oh, shit. I see that shit, I'm like, oh, fuck that.
Hey girl, whoever
this
you
phone.
are, this is not cute. I'm not amused. This whole photobomb thing, knock it off and leave me alone.
You think you that bad, man. You think you that fine, girl. She about to kill you. She about to off your little stupid ass. About to put your ass in a body bag. You messing with her. I know she look creepy though, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting scared though. I got my fish ready. Yeah, I know when I get scared, I ball my fist. I told you I got that the fist back. Oh shit!
Leave me alone!
All right, you want to play that game? Okay. Gotcha.
Oh shit! Hit him with an
Can I
uppercut.
stay with you?
Fuck no, bitch. You gonna take a bath? Shit, just take a bath.
Can I stay?
Yeah, what's up? We want to stay here, man. We got it. The fuck can he listen to? This demonic ass shit. Who the fuck listen to Outta? They ain't blasting this shit.
Well, someone looks happy to see me. Are you getting in? What's up, baby? Hey.
Dang, she pissed
Oh
herself.
my God, Lydia, what is going on? Lydia! Lydia!
She ain't living here no more.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take you to the hospital or something. Hold
Hop
on.
in your car and
Wait,
take off.
Wait here. Great. Lydia, come on. Come on, hey. Come on, get in. Watch your head. Okay, I just have to ask, did you take something, Lydia?
Are we going to hospital?
Yeah, you're acting so bizarre. I don't know what to do.
I don't want to go to hospital.
What the fuck is he listening to? This motherfucker had it with the hell got on his soundtrack. What is this? The Dark Souls. I mean, the hell, the fire of hell. What the fuck he was just listening to? I mean, who the fuck listen to
Are we
Outta
gonna go to
loud?
hospital?
Yeah, you're not well.
I don't want to go to hospital.
I heard you.
I don't want to go to hospital!
Damn. She just killed his ass. I don't think that ghost wanted to go to a fucking hospital. Shit, you could have said no, dude. Lie or something, bitch. Like, nah, we ain't going to the hospital. I'm taking your ass home. You need to get some rest. I'm going to the hospital, dog. Take your ass home. I gotta go to the hospital. I feel my head hurt. I'm gonna take you home. I'm going to the hospital. Shit, that motherfucker kept saying, I'm taking you to the hospital. You could have said, no, you dead now. She killed your ass, dead, took your whip. God damn. Next. Alistair the Titan. You know, we had to, I told y'all we gonna end another one with a banger. So let's get it cracking, you know, we never slacking. Let's do this shit. You already realize, what the fuck? I always end. Oh shit! Oh, Lord. Why? Why me? Why I do this shit to myself? She look creepy, son. Her face don't even look like it's so attached to her fucking body, bro. The fuck? This scared the shit out of me. fuck? This was a banger. This a banger. We leave it with a banger. Man, she was more creepier than Jigsaw to me. Fuck you ain't see that little tall ass motherfucker. Why is his eyes red? What the fuck he think he is? Michael Jackson and shit? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! That was a fucking banger. Oh shit. Oh, Allison, what the fuck, bro? You got the best fucking videos, man. This the best channel, bro. I think everybody should watch this shit. This dude need to make a fucking film, bro. All the scary movies, we go to the movies and watch these scary movies and don't get scared. Bro, if he make a fucking movie, shit. God damn, this shit scary. This scarier than the actual Jigsaw shit. Fuck. God damn, that shit scared me in the whole fucking film. Then you hear the voice. His voice was so demonic. Nah, you want to play game, bitch. Wow. And it said, and thanks to all my subscribers, the only reason I make a YouTube channel in 2016-ish was to practice making movies in front of all small groups of viewers. Now, since I'm getting better at the craft, I'm obligating to make more quality works, get to the Oscars with a horror film, and make you guys entertained. Proud. Make sure y'all share this video. Bro, you only got 130K subscribers. This man need 1 million. 1 billion, bro. We need to, I'm about to post this shit on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, man. This man got the best quality of scary films, bro. Bro, this shit is fat. Bro, anybody ask me what you be watching, I be watching Alexandra the Titan. Bro, they got the quality of scare, bro. Scariest of all scary movies. This is top dog. Shout out to Allison, bro. You deserve it, man. You deserve a rose. We need to get him a group of motherfuck Alex. His name is Alex. We need to get him some motherfucking more views. I'm sorry for cursing, but god damn, this shit was fucking creepy. In the last one. Come on, bro. He got the best quality films. Way better than actual films. Bro, we gotta recommend him. So I'm about to post Alexandra the Titan. I'm about to post you on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm about to post you everywhere. I'm about to try to get you some more viewers and subscribers. But goddamn, this shit was fire. This was a banger. Of all bangers, this was a banger. I was scared out of my fucking mind. I almost had a heart attack. That shit was fantastic. I'm sad I gotta end the video there. But the next video I go see, I love Addison the Titan. This guy is a fantastic YouTuber ever, bro. If you want to watch some quality scare shit, go to this man. We gotta get this man some more viewers and subscribers ASAP. Recommend this man. This man got the craft. He got the craft. He got way better. Like, I know this came out 2022. I know this old, but damn, even his recent ones. Shit, the recent one. I love this main channel, bro. I hope you make a film. I hope I be a part of the film. I don't want no money. I just want to be an actor in one horror film. Just let me be somebody to get off or something. I die. Shit. I'm a good actor. I'm gonna be honest. I'm a good actor, bro. This shit is fire, bro. I want to be in one of the films. Son. This shit is shit. Then I can scream and get scared. Shit. Wow. Bro, that's it. We gonna end the video, bro. We gotta end the video with that banger, bro. That shit was fire.